The service air suspension system warning in your Jeep Grand Cherokee indicates a malfunction in the advanced air suspension system that replaces traditional coil springs with sophisticated air-filled struts. To understand this warning, we first need to see how air suspension differs from traditional suspension systems. Let's compare the two technologies side by side. The air suspension system consists of five main components that work together to provide automatic leveling, multiple ride height modes, and load compensation. The warning can be triggered by several common issues. Air leaks are the most frequent cause, occurring in struts, airlines, or fittings due to wear and corrosion. The air suspension system provides multiple ride height modes for different driving conditions. These modes automatically adjust the vehicle's height and handling characteristics. When the warning appears, it typically indicates problems with specific system components. Air leaks account for 60% of all cases, often occurring in the struts themselves or connecting airlines. Recent improvements in 2024 and 2025 model years include enhanced diagnostic capabilities with more specific error codes and real-time monitoring systems to help identify problems faster. Ignoring this warning can lead to serious consequences. The air suspension system affects vehicle handling, safety, and ride quality. Prompt attention prevents further damage and maintains your Grand Cherokee's performance capabilities. Diagnosing air suspension problems requires a systematic approach. Following these 5 key steps will help identify the root cause and determine the most effective repair strategy. Visual inspection is the first and most important diagnostic step. Look carefully for obvious signs of air leaks, damaged components, or loose connections. Many air suspension problems can be identified through careful visual examination. Modern diagnostic scanners provide specific fault codes that pinpoint air suspension problems. Recent Jeep models have enhanced diagnostic capabilities with more detailed error codes and real-time monitoring data. When components fail, replacement costs vary significantly. Air struts are the most commonly replaced parts, while compressor failures are more expensive but less frequent. These costs have increased about 25% since 2022 due to supply chain issues. After replacing any air suspension component, proper calibration is crucial. The system must relearn height sensor positions and pressure parameters. Software updates from Jeep can also resolve many electronic glitches without hardware replacement. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular inspections every 15,000 miles can catch problems early. Avoid extreme off-road articulation when the air suspension is active, and address warning lights promptly to prevent more expensive cascade failures. While some air suspension maintenance can be performed by experienced DIY mechanics, complex electrical issues and system calibration often require professional expertise. Qualified technicians have access to manufacturer-specific diagnostic tools and updated repair procedures that ensure proper system operation.